Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful little flower square. You can use this square for many things. I use this square for my AirPod little pouch, and I share this on social media, and a lot of you ask for the tutorial. For today's tutorial, it's only going to be the square. Then I'm going to share with you how I make this pouch in different tutorial. Okay, this one I use scrap yarn. I can't remember what yarn it is because I have this yarn for a long time, so sorry about that. But these I use pin box yarn. It is number 4 medium weight yarn, and I use 4mm crochet hook. You need yarn needle, scissors, and some measuring tape if you want. This is optional. The size for my square is a little bit over 2 inches. Okay, both sides are the same. All right, let's get started. This will be my color A. First, make a magic ring. I twist my yarn like this, the short tail on top. I pinch it right here, insert the hook into that loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and chain one. The chain one is the part of the magic ring. You can use any method you prefer to make a magic ring. Now we're gonna start the repeat, which is 1 single crochet into this ring space, chain 1, half double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same ring space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook, triple crochet, yarn over hook twice, once and twice. Insert the hook into the same ring space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and then 2 double triple crochet. For the double triple crochet, you're gonna yarn over hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So we need one more double triple crochet. Again, yarn over hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 1 triple crochet. Triple crochet, we yarn over hook twice, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and then half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook, and then chain 1. And that's it. That is the repeat. We need 3 more of this repeat because we need 3 more petals. This is 1 petal. Again, the repeat is 1 single crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, triple crochet, 2 double triple crochet, triple crochet, half double crochet, chain 1. That is the repeat. Okay, I show you 1 single crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, triple crochet, V yarn over hook twice, two double triple crochet, yarn over hook 3 times, and then triple crochet, yarn over hook twice, half double crochet, chain 1. Now I have 2 petals. And then we're gonna start the repeat again, which is 1 single crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, triple crochet, two double triple crochet, oops, triple crochet, half double crochet, chain 1. Okay, one more repeat, 1 single crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, triple crochet, two double triple crochet, triple crochet, oops, half double crochet, chain 1. Okay, this is the end. And now I'm gonna make a slip stitch into the first single crochet here to end round 1. I insert the hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. That is my slip stitch. Then I'm just gonna chain 1 to lock the yarn, then cut the yarn. Leave a little bit of tail, just enough to weave in the end later. Pull the yarn through. Okay, now I'm gonna pull this tail, the magic ring tail, to close up this hole. I'm just gonna pull it like so. I'm not gonna pull it too tight yet. I leave myself a little bit of hole because we're gonna crochet into that hole later. Then next I bring my color B. I make slip knot. Insert the hook into that slip knot. Use any method you prefer to make slip knot. I'm gonna insert my hook right in between the two double triple crochet stitches. So remember, we have two double triple crochet. We're just gonna go right in between those stitches. I insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. Basically, I just make my first single crochet there. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go into this hole, but go in between the petals and make a double crochet. I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into that hole. Go in between the petals, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I want to pull it up a little bit. I want to make it pretty much the same height as the petals, okay? And then I yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is my double crochet. Chain 2, 1 more double crochet into the same space. I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the same space there, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again, I pull it up a little bit, make sure it's the same height. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in between the 2 double triple crochet stitches right here. Go in between. And then we're gonna repeat this around. So I chain 3. And then into this hole, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Right here. Again, make sure to pull it up a little bit. like so. Chain 3, 1 single crochet right in between the double triple crochet stitches right here. Repeat, chain 3, into this hole, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Do the same. Chain 3, right in between the next double triple crochet stitches, make a single crochet there. Chain 3, into this hole, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Okay, then chain 3, slip stitch into the first single crochet that you did, insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. Round 2 is complete, and then you can close up this hole, make it more tight if you like, or you can leave it like that, totally up to you. So I like mine is kind of tight, like so. Into the next chain 3 space, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I just gonna place my stitch marker into the first single crochet that I did, just so you can see easier at the end of the round when I'm gonna show you. You don't really need this, but you can place it, it's totally up to you. So yeah, after I make 2 single crochet there, I'm gonna make 4 double crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet into this chain 2 space. One, 2, 3, 4, and then a chain 2, 4 more double crochet into the same space. Oops, okay. 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Then we're gonna repeat 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Into the next chain 2 space here, make 4 double crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet. Oops. Okay. 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Okay, you're gonna repeat this all the way around. You're gonna make 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and then into this chain 2 space, make 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet. Then make 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Repeat that all the way around. And this is my last single crochet, and that's it. Next, I'm gonna cut the yarn. I leave a little bit of tail here. I'm gonna do the invisible join. If you like, you can just make a slip stitch into the first single crochet and then cut the yarn, but I like to do the invisible join. So after I cut my yarn, I pull my yarn out like so. I bring my yarn needle, insert the tail into my yarn needle. Then I skip the first stitch where I place my stitch marker. Insert my needle into the next stitch there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my stitch marker. And I pull through. Insert my needle into the last single crochet that I just did right here, right into the middle part, and then back inside, through the back side, and pull through. I just create a new single crochet here. That's why I skip the first single crochet. So yeah, I think this method is very nice and smooth. You just need to adjust it a little bit. You just need to weave all the ends and you are done. I would love to know what you're gonna use this square for. I'm planning to make more pouches, maybe a bag, maybe pillow cover. I'm not sure yet, but I have a lot of idea. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.